In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Shopify Store. If you want to wipe your catalog, clear out customer records, and get back to a blank canvas. This walkthrough will show you the essentials while keeping things safe and straightforward. First, open the Shopify website and sign into your store's admin. You'll be working inside the dashboard for this entire reset, so make sure you have the correct store selected and that you're comfortable removing data you no longer need. If you might want any of it later, consider exporting a backup before you continue, because deletions can't be undone. Next, click Products. Here you can see every item in your catalog. To reset your store's inventory, you'll need to delete all of these products. You can remove items one by one, or, if you have many, use the multi-select checkbox to choose them in batches and delete them together. Take a moment to double-check for hidden or archived items and any draft listings you no longer plan to use. Once you confirm deletion, those products, along with their images and variants, are cleared from your store. When that's done, head to Customers. This section holds your customer profiles, including names, contact details, and past interactions. If your goal is a clean slate, delete the customer records you no longer need. Removing a profile helps ensure personal information is no longer available in your admin. Keep in mind, order history ties into accounting and compliance, so depending on your region and policies, certain order records may still be retained by the platform or required for your own records. Focus on removing the customer data you're permitted to delete and proceed carefully. If you want to completely start a new store, you can cancel your subscription and then create a fresh one. This is a more drastic route, and it effectively ends billing for the current store and lets you begin from scratch under a new setup. Before you take that step, be sure you're ready to lose access to the existing store's data, apps, and customizations, and that you've saved anything you're obligated to keep. That's the core process to reset a Shopify store. Open the site, clear products, remove customers, and, if needed, cancel your subscription to start anew. Take it slowly, double-check each deletion, and you'll have a clean foundation to build on.